Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to TCS NQT 25 exam result and interview date is declared. The interview will be started from 19 to 22 May. It is a first phase interview. What are the important documents? What about TCS remaining exam result and rejection mail? And what about the update of TPOs that shared the college list? Okay, so in the video we will discuss about everything. First of all videos for all of you, and I created the TCS NQT interview preparation 25 minutes long video in which TCS Ninja Prime digital interview preparations are there, and you can book the live mock interview with us. It is a 30-minute meeting, and this is the benefits of live mock interview, and you can see the testimonials of many of the candidates. Okay, almost we completed 1700 bookings, okay, through this. The thing is, many of the candidates believe on us, and you will definitely crack the interview opportunity, so you can book your mock interview and boost your confidence, and you can crack the opportunity. First of all, we will discuss about the query TCS region wise result. So I created poll on our WhatsApp group. You can see I created Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, total 28 cities, okay, total 28 states, not cities, and you can see which region candidate received the TCS NQT result. Okay, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and no mail and not showing badge 190 candidate mentioned here, and showing badge but there is no official mail 17 candidate mentioned here. Okay, so as I already said in my previous video that TCS will release the result in the form of phases, and they will release the result region wise. According to your region, according to your state, they will release your result. As I already said in my previous video that there are multiple examination date, 15th March, 17th March, 20 March, 25th March. So there are result dates are also multiple. Okay, so this is called the phases. Phases means multiple dates are there, guys. Okay, multiple dates are there. So the thing is, no need to worry about that. Multiple dates from the TCS teams are there, so you have to be prepared for the opportunity. Let's discuss about what about the TCS remaining result. Name is not in the college list. Okay, many of the candidates are asking this query. My TCS exam gone good, but my name is not in college list. Is there any chance to provide second list, or I am rejected? Please answer, sir. It's last chance for me. I am going to depress now. First of all, don't take stress. If you still not receive any kind of result, please wait, because the exam result in the form of phases. And previously in the 2024 batch, if you are not shortlisted in the examination, TCS team send the rejection mail to candidate. Okay, so I am hoping that every candidate deserve the best opportunity, and you will get the interview opportunity according to your exam performance. They will send the exam result with you. They will share the exam result with you, and exam result in the form of phases means different dates are there. Okay, so now TCS team is not sending any kind of rejection mail in the 2025 still, and no one received any kind of update. So please wait. If your name is not in college list, there will be direct mail from TCS team. If your profile is shortlisted for prime interview, ninja opportunity, digital opportunity, they will share the interview update with us. We have to wait for some day. Patience is very important, guys, because it is a pan India mass hiring. Okay, and it will take time. Okay, so please wait, don't worry, and please wait. We have to wait for some days. This is the last thing we can do until apply for other job opportunity. And don't take stress. Okay, stress nahi lena hai. You have to always be positive. According to your performance, they will share the result. What about the TCS rejection mail? Please mention in the comment section if you receive any kind of rejection mail from TCS team, because I created poll and 0 candidate mentioned they received the rejection mail. 274 candidates, 315 candidates are waiting for the update from TCS team. Okay, let's discuss about the TCS interview start from 19th May, 20 May and 22 to 21st to 21 May. It is the first phase interviews. Okay, one most important point, our college shared Excel sheet interview on 19th May on Pune office. I am requesting from all of you, if your interview from 19, 20, 21, 22, share your interview experience after completing. It will very helpful for all other candidates that they will appear for interview in the upcoming days. TCS interview invite TCS NQT 25. Greetings from TCS Talent Acquisition Campus Hiring Team. Congratulations, we are happy to inform that basis your interest in a career opportunity, subsequent test, you have been shortlisted for digital interview in TCS NQT. Your interview is scheduled as per detail mentioned below. 21st May is the date. K block ground floor interview, TCS Gitanjali Park, Kolkata, West Bengal. Reporting time is 9 AM. This is the eligibility criteria. 25 batch from BE, BTech, okay, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc are eligible. Full-time courses is eligible. Student who have completed their secondary or senior secondary course from National Institute of Open Schooling are also eligible. 60% or 6 CGPA throughout academic. All mark sheet in semester as applicable. If selected, the offer will be valid only if the degree provisional certificate clearly state that student cleared the highest qualification engineering in first class post completion of course. Okay, what about the backlog error? No pending or active backlog error ATKT is permitted at time of TCS. No extended education would be allowed. It is mandatory to declare education gap if the period break in education should not be due to extended education. Any break in education should not exceed 24 months and it is permissible only for valid reason. Okay, student with prior experience of up to 2 years are eligible. It is only applicable for post graduate student, and you have 18 to 28 years of age to participate in the selection process. They will check the eligibility criteria at multiple stage, so it is very important guys. And documents to be carry for interview process, original documents, they clearly mention here original. Printout of TCS application form 5 pages, okay, it is available on the next step portal. Printout of resume, please bring the updated resume, it is very important. Original Aadhaar card and original college ID card. Latest passport size photograph 1, original 10th mark sheet and passing certificate. If you like, you can take the 2 to 3 photos. Okay, original 12th mark sheet and passing certificate. Original diploma, all semester, all year wise mark sheet if applicable. Applicable means if you have that mark sheet, so okay, और applicable means अगर applicable होता है डिप्लोमा या मार्कशीट, सो आपको ले जाना है. ओरिजिनल डिप्लोमा सर्टिफिकेट, कोर्स कंप्लीशन सर्टिफिकेट इफ एप्लीकेबल, ओरिजिनल ग्रेजुएशन, ऑल सेमिस्टर, ऑल ईयर वाइज मार्कशीट. That is very important. You have to collect with your college, collect from your college. Original graduation degree certificate, provisional degree certificate, course completion certificate applicable for candidate pursuing master's course only. Okay, original post graduation applicable for master's course, original post graduation degree certificate, original work experience letter if applicable. Okay, printout of this mail without which you will not be allowed to enter. That is very most important thing. You have to carry the printout. Any educational document which is downloaded and printed from web portal institute website should be mandatorily attached, signed and stamped from the controller of examination, principal, registrar, director of the institute only. Suppose you are downloading your all the mark sheet from the college website, okay, or your institute website, and it is not original, because in the original all the signs and stamp will be there. Okay, so for that document you have to mandatorily attach the sign and stamped of controller of examination, principal, registrar or director of institute only. It is very important guys. Okay, because they will definitely check everything. Okay, no electronic media device will be allowed inside the TCS premises, laptop, pen drive, CD, etc. Photography, videography within TCS premises is strictly prohibited. TCS does not charge any fees at any stage. You are required to make your own arrangement for food, water, as it will be day-long process. The interview process is now finalized and frozen. It may not reschedule to later day or time. With best regards, India East Tata Consultancy Services. First of all, you can check this is a prime interview, okay, for the 2025 batch, and it is on 21st May, and this is a ninja interview on 22nd May. So candidates are receiving the ninja interview update, digital interview update and prime interview update. So you have to get ready for your interview, because interview is in the form of phases, and you can check out this video. Definitely it will very helpful for everyone guys, and I hope you like the video. I am coming up with different interview experience of TCS as soon as possible. Like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.